Hi sunshines and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Linda. Welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. I don't know if I've wished you guys Happy New Year this year, but let me officially say Happy New Year. Yes. Yeah, it's the time is to 12:34 or thereabouts, and today is the 31st of January. So the last day in January. And how was your January? Hope your January was good to you guys. Ignore this on my face. This is my sunscreen. I just applied it and I'm waiting for it to absorb into my skin because I'm in a hurry. I'm on my way to the salon. I want to go to the salon. I'm actually late because I'm going to do school runs. I've not even started. I want to take down these braids. These braids, you can see it's old. I did it in December 22nd of December, yeah, last year. And so it's long overdue for me to take it down. So today I just told myself I must do it today. And that's what I want to do. But I said, let me say hello to you guys. I know I look weird, but we move. So I'm so excited. The year January has already come to an end. Yeah, I'm happy about that. So we are moving into February. Yeah, it's one of my favorite months because my son's birth month. Yeah, the month I got to be a mom. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. And I just let me say hello to you guys, know how you guys are doing. Today is Friday actually, and I have lots of things to do. Apart from doing my hair today, I pray I'll be able to wash and do something simple, maybe just normal cornrow on it so that the hair will just, breathe for some time. And also today is my wash day. You all know me. I do my washing on Friday, sorry. And I've already started and I just hope I'll be able to finish it today because I don't want to do anything tomorrow. I still have lots of things to do, but not really household thing, just family stuff. So let's go to the salon. I hope I'll be able to take you guys along. I sure would. So let's go to the salon. Let's go look good. Yeah. See ya. So sunshines, I'm back from the salon. I'm done in the salon. Yeah, and I've gone to pick my boy from school. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I told them not to make it small and tiny because I don't have time to sit down waiting for them to finish up. So I just told the lady to make it big. Please, I don't have the strength to sit down for longer making my hair. Say good afternoon to my functions. Good afternoon. My babies, they are writing tests. They will soon go for their midterm break. So they are writing their tests. And we just got back home now. Yeah, so I want to go home. I have so many things to do. I'm trying to. Katie, stop shaking me, man. Shaking my hands, please. I'm thinking of putting down my Christmas tree. Yeah. I don't care if you have doubled down yours. Mine, I'm seeing if I will be able to do it today. If I can, I pray I will. I put it down today. Finish my laundry, and any other thing. Take care of this man, this little man. Oh, whose birthday is next month. In fact, it's next week or 2 weeks time. Either next, I think it's either next week, 2 weeks time, 2 weeks time. Yeah. So, guys, tell me welcome. Okay, let me go and continue. We'll see you guys. Okay. I just came back from school runs, though we've done homework, sha. I've done home. I've helped supervise my son for his homework, and I just said, let me say hello to you guys. In the before now in the morning, I was putting down my Christmas tree, so I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything, you know, to you guys. I didn't talk with you guys, so I just okay. Let me just say hello to you guys. I'm back from school runs. Say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so I'm back from school runs, and I just said let me chat up with you guys, and then there's I have some skincare and some other things, random things I bought. And I'd like to, is it unbox or do a haul with you guys? Just show you guys what I bought, okay? Some are things I'm restocking, while others are new things I just, bought. So let me show you guys. So sunshine. First of all, the first thing I got is my nighttime body wash. That's the Olay Retinol body wash. I love this product so much. Really, really, really love it. So I'm restocking on it. Yeah. And also I got my bio oil. Yeah, I got my bio oil, guys. I've been using this for a long time, for years. So I got it. I'm restocking on this too. The one I have is almost finished, so I decided to restock on it. So I got the bio oil. So on to toners, I got the ordinary glycolic toner, 7%, glycolic acid toner. So I got it. I use it. I've been using it for some time now, and I love it. I love it. So yeah, we all know now what we use this for. so so I use it. You know, I use this. So this is it. So I restocked on it too. It's a restock. So I just restock on it too. So I also bought another toner. This is the Cosrx AHA BHA toner. Yeah, it's the clarifying treatment toner. Yeah, the one I'm using is almost true, but I'm not this particular product though I'm using the one from the Ruviela brand, and that one is good too. So I just saw this, and since they didn't have the Ruviela one, so I just saw this and I said, okay, let me get it. Though I will still get that one, or maybe I'm trying to get I get something else. Let me just leave it like that. So that's it. Then onto our serum. I got the CeraVe Retinol Serum. It's a new buy. How will I put it? This is my first time, going to use this. So you all know I started using retinol for some time now, and I'm loving it. Okay. I got another serum from Face Facts. Yeah, this Face Fact, their retinol serum. So this is it. Now I also got something new, the Medix 5.5 vitamin C ferulic acid. I actually use the this particular body cream. I use it, and all this while I've never tried the serum. So I said, okay, since I saw it at the store, let me just try it and see how it is. So this is my first time going to use this too. Then I also got my tretinoin, the one I'm using. It's still there, but I decided to get another tretinoin. I don't know if you guys can see. So I decided to get another tretinoin, just a backup. Because before you know it, the price has increased. Nothing comes down in Nigeria. Then I got a, a, a moisturizer from Advanced Clinical. Yeah, I got a moisturizer from Advanced Clinical. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is how. It's a vitamin C moisturizer. I love the packaging, it's so nice. And let me see. This is how it looks like inside. There's some here. Doesn't have any fragrance, no fragrance. And they said it's lightweight and it's good. So I'll be trying that too. Okay. So off to our sunscreen. So this one is the Skin Aqua Skin Aqua sunscreen. Let's open it up. So it's a 140 gram. Yeah. So you see it. You just take this off and you start using it. Okay. So that one is for this, for the sunscreen. Then guys, I got a pimple patch. Baby, is it what they call it? Pimple patch. Yes, pimple acne pimple master patch. This one is from Cosrx. So I just got it in case I get any stubborn pimple that refuse to go, I will just pop it there and try it. Though my first time too of using this, so to see how it goes. Okay, yeah. Then guys, I also bought a makeup bag. Is it a makeup storage bag or a makeup bag? I don't know. You guys should know this makeup bag that has strings, you know, that has strings so big. And I love it. I love the material that was used to make it. So it's this makeup bag that you put your makeup and you pull the strings together. Then you close it this way. Okay, depending on the quantity of your makeup stuff. Okay, so that's it about this. Then I got this hot comb. Yeah, so I got a hot comb. So just for my hair, my wigs, you know. So that's just it. I've opened it because I needed to test if it's working. So this is it, the hot comb. Yeah, so, and it's really working. I hope it lasts. I hope it lasts long. So that's just it. Then guys, hey, I've been having issues with my storage, my phone storage. So to the extent that Google sent me a mail that I will no longer receive. I won't be able to receive mail from Google by the end of January. So I decided to go get myself a memory card. So I got this in 120 gig, 120 gigabytes Sandisk. So I bought the Extreme Pro one. So that's just it, and I pray it helps me. That's all for this haul slash unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. And guys, if you are watching me, and you have watched this time and you have still not subscribed, you have still not clicked on the like button, guys, please encourage me, support me by clicking on the like button, guys. Please, it will make me happy when you guys like my videos. Okay, thank you for sticking with me, my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Love you guys so much. Okay, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it and hope you enjoy my haul and everything. So guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Ciao.